Show the Naihanchi shodan Kuzushi kata and its breaking down and how it applies to the rube footwork or the shio ponete footwork. So what happens is you're going to have 4 corners in 8 directions, but the hand motions are going to be exactly the same. So our Kihon model of Naihanchi has 27 counts. Nijushi Kazunot. So when you sit there and do the empty hand kata, the only thing different between the Kihon model and the Kuzushi model is how the footwork motivates hand motion. So it's just kind of like walking, like Oyata Sensei said, when you walk, your hands don't stay still, that there's a movement that comes with it. So what we're doing with the Kuzushi kata is identifying how your feet can enhance or motivate the hand movement. So we're going to start off 2 count, Ruki Karate Do Naihanchi shodan Kuzushi no kata. So when we cover here, we're just going to step back and cover at a 45-degree angle, and when we come towards the front, it's going to be on the same line. So the knife hand's here, then we're going to step in with the elbow so that we use the weight of the body coming in, and then we're going to complete the motion by turning 180 degrees. So at 180 degrees, and you have the opponent's arm here, when you push that out to lock this elbow out, you bring your foot in so that you're not using only your upper body, you're using the weight of your body to bring the foot forward. Now as your hand is extended here, your next motion is to pull back, but as the body turns, it's going to help that pulling motion, which is going to drive out that punch. So when you come forward, instead of just using your hand like this, you want to use your body to push him back, and then when you get behind him on the double block, that's where your arm bar motion is, then you're going to come and follow through to the front this way. So once you're in this position here and everything's covered, you throw your atemi, your kick's going to come in where you're in line, and you're going to kick straight out, and then when you land, the weight of your body is going to go at a 45-degree angle, but your hand's going to clear this motion here. So when you kick forward here, the weight of your body is going to come to that 45-degree angle, but your hand's going to come straight across. So when we pivot and pull to a pin motion here, where all of our weight's going to be, where we're pulling somebody into us, and we throw out, we're going to put our weight and use the twist of our body to throw the body out, and then bring it back in just like Kihon. We're going to follow through just like we did on the front part, follow back to the 180 so that we have the line here. Our feet comes together so that we're, instead of pushing with just the upper body, we're using the whole body, and then we'll cut across the middle so that we turn the body, which helps the spinning or the turning motion. You step in to put weight into it, you step behind to get behind the opponent, and then you throw the body off the planted foot. Same thing happens here, where you kick, 45, kick, weight goes 45, and then we're going to pull in and push back, and then the right foot comes in, and then the left foot comes out. When you end the kata, it's left foot in, and you're back to the same position you started. So what the footwork pattern is going to be 4 corners, 8 directions, so that we're covering and we're constantly moving 90 degrees and 180 degrees, using that footwork to enhance the momentum of the hand motion, so that we're not using muscle, we're using motion and movement. Right?